Hi guys, welcome to Ventichic. In this video, we'll discuss certain actions that the rich take but the poor often neglect due to a lack of knowledge or simply a lack of interest. Although no guarantee following these suggestions will lead to success, they can significantly increase your chances of generating wealth. With that said, let's delve into the 15 things the wealthy do that the poor don't. Number 1. Rich people read a lot. Did you know that successful CEOs read at least 50 books a year, while the average person reads only 1.5, usually fiction or romance? Books contain distilled knowledge that can teach you from the greats in your field and other niches. Reading for self-development is underrated, so don't stop learning. By continuing to educate themselves, top CEOs earn 10, 20, or even 50 times more than average. Number 2. They sacrifice the present for the future. Successful people understand the value of starting early in life. They know that time is precious, and the earlier you start, the better. While the poor waste time on parties or TV, the future rich invest their time into their goals. They read self-development books and work hard to achieve their dreams. Everyone has the same 24 hours a day, but the rich use their time more effectively. So don't expect to achieve the same results if you don't start now and work hard towards your goals. Number 3. Go all in on your strengths. The rich invest time in self-discovery. They figure out what they want to do and work hard to become better at it. If you have a talent, focus on it and try to develop it. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Don't try to be great at everything, or you'll never be great at anything. Unfortunately, the education system and parenting often encourage mediocrity. Instead of developing a child's talents, parents often push them toward the norm. Many people don't know what they're passionate about or don't try to turn their passion into a skill. Number 4. Believe they are responsible for their fate. Successful people take responsibility for their lives and don't make excuses, while the poor blame others for their failures. The journey to success is tough, and unless you're born into wealth, you'll have to work for it. Smart choices can speed up the process, but there are no shortcuts. Self-made millionaires and billionaires make up 86% of the world's wealthiest people. They didn't rely on anyone but themselves to achieve their goals. You must take charge of your life or be employed to help someone else achieve their dreams. Number 5. They set financial goals. Setting clear financial goals helps individuals to have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and gives them direction on how to get there. Rich people tend to have high but achievable goals that push them to grow and develop new skills to achieve them. They often break down their goals into smaller, more manageable steps, which helps them to focus on the specific actions they need to take to achieve their goals. For you, our dear viewers, what are your financial goals? Is it a house, a car, a business, or anything? Let us know in the comments below. Number 6. The rich sleep less than the poor. The reality is that many poor people lack the determination to escape their situation, although there are exceptions. Laziness comes in two forms: those who refuse to work and those who refuse to learn new skills. Successful entrepreneurs often work 14 hours a day to achieve their goals. Waking up early is not enough. You must use your time wisely and improve yourself to achieve success. Number 7. Have money work for you. Rich people make smart investments that generate steady income and protect their wealth. For example, if you had $100,000, you could buy a depreciating asset like a new car, or invest in an appreciating asset like real estate that generates rental income and grows in value. You can build wealth and protect yourself from outside forces by making your money work for you. Even paying off debt is a step toward financial growth. Number 8. The rich don't protest or boycott, they produce. To become truly wealthy, you must create value for others. Even when external circumstances are unfavorable, focus on adding value and increasing output. It's easy to complain, but much harder to be the one finding solutions. Adding value is the only true protection against financial instability. Number 9. The rich think in terms of abundance, not scarcity. Understanding that there is unlimited wealth in the world is a game changer. The rich see opportunities and create value where others don't. In contrast, the poor tend to conserve what little they have and believe wealth is scarce. However, systemic factors can contribute to poverty. Not all wealth is ethically created. Considering the larger societal structures and systems at play are essential when discussing wealth and poverty. Number 10. They play the long game. The wealthy know that money isn't made overnight. They understand that consistent small efforts over a long period lead to success. However, many poor people want instant riches without doing the necessary work or making sacrifices. To succeed, play the long game. Don't give up and keep striving. Patience and perseverance are a good combination on the path to success. If you have patience, but you don't have perseverance, then you can find someone else, a business partner who has that trait, and you'll motivate each other. Who do you think of immediately when you hear business partner? Like this video and share it with them so you can start hustling toward success. Number 11. Focus on being healthy. Taking care of yourself physically and mentally is crucial not just for your success, but also for helping others. The wealthy invest a lot of resources to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including eating healthy and staying fit. They also prioritize their mental health, often engaging in practices such as meditation to strengthen their minds. Number 12. Study other successful people. Success is not a destination, it's a journey that never ends. The rich regularly learn from other successful individuals' successes and failures and apply those lessons to their lives. A wealth of information is available online, including videos about successful brands and their creators, waiting for you to explore and learn from. Number 13. Have mentors. Having a mentor is crucial to success. A mentor provides guidance, shares their experiences, and helps you avoid mistakes they've made in the past. It's important to attract quality mentors. Their impact on your life can be significant. Stay tuned for a future video where we'll dive deeper into the topic of mentors. Number 14. They understand the world is changing. The world is changing fast, and you must keep up with it to succeed. Don't hold on to the past, focus on where things are going. The rich understand this and always study new business models to stay ahead. Remember, the world doesn't care about you as an individual, so it's up to you to make the most of what you have and stay ahead of the curve. Before proceeding to the last one, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss any videos like this. Moving on, number 15. They're making the world a better place. The rich are often the ones who finance innovation, despite being criticized by the poor. Without their risky investments, much of the world as we know it wouldn't exist, including modern medicine and breakthrough technologies. Private investors have played a significant role in shaping history, from financing exploration to patronizing inventors. While it's easy to hate on the rich, their contributions have propelled humanity forward. Instead of bringing others down, we should use their success as motivation to positively impact the world. Here's a question. What other behaviors differentiate the rich from the poor? Let us know in the comments below. We appreciate your time with us and encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for being here with us, and we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.